sure you have something tasty but healthy to snack. Welcome and thank you for joining us at FoodTechIL 2021.
Hi, welcome. I'm honored to open this FoodTechIL conference, and I'm glad that you are all here with us today. No question that this year was unique. Well, unique is a positive way of saying challenging. The ability to unite and ensure the well-being beyond our communities was critical. One element that stood out during the pandemic was food. We found ourselves preoccupied with food more than ever before. Do we have enough food? Is the food safe? Am I overeating? It seems so long ago, but just a year ago, we saw people struggling to find food in stores. We, in Strauss, felt the immense responsibility to continue and supply quality and available food for all. We felt responsible for our community and the well-being of our employees and partners. The pandemic has made clear that we can overcome challenges much better as a community rather than as individuals or even as companies. It became clear that the only way to overcome global challenges is through collaboration, science, and technology. 9 years ago, we gathered a group of passionate and talented people eager to devote their time and efforts to improving the global food system. We started the journey of gathering partners, adapting new technologies, and developing collaboration, which I'm proud that you all part of. We all understand the environmental, health, and social challenges that the food industry has created. This is where FoodTech comes in. For us in Israel, Startup Nation, the obvious solution is FoodTech startups. Today, we are happy to share the significant steps the FoodTech community has taken in recent years. There is no doubt that we have come a long way, and we have already planted the seeds of change. We at Strauss are committed to deepening our investment in FoodTech as a way to achieve our long-term commitment to company's purpose. This is our purpose, nourishing a better tomorrow. This is our promise and our responsibility to our stakeholders, consumers, shareholders, business partners, people of Strauss, and the next generation to leave a positive impact on our society and the planet while producing delicious, customized, environmentally friendly, and healthy food and drinks. We hold ourselves accountable and responsible for this commitment, and we will encourage our partners to join us on this amazing journey. And so, this conference is a call for action, a call to our community which you are part of, to strengthen our ties and to commit to a long-term change. Let's choose to be part of the solution. I would like to thank you, partners and friends, for taking the time to join us for a binge to the future. Please see this as a personal invitation to join us, nourishing a better tomorrow. Talk to us, offer collaboration, and deepen the partnership we have created together. I would also like to thank Strauss Group's Growth and Innovation Unit and the Kitchen Hub team and all the people who have worked hard to make this conference possible. So, sit back and relax, enjoying watching the future. The future is already here.
We create proteins out of upcycled yeast.
We developed plant-based eggs.
We make amazing low-carb food with no artificial sweetness.
We create a robot that makes plant-based burgers.
What we are doing, we take the preservatives out of the hummus.
Have you ever stopped to think about the costs and efforts behind your bite?
We make cultured meat affordable for everyone.
We create real dairy products without the cows.
We do plant-based burger with incredible meat texture.
We cultivate cells that create dairy and breast milk.
The revolution has started.
We develop innovative snacks with our cutting-edge technology.
We upcycle ugly vegetables into beautiful, delicious meals.
We grow mushroom mycelium to create the next generation of protein.
What are we doing? We're creating chicken products using cell cultivation.
Join us on a journey.
We fight diabetes and obesity with sweet designer proteins.
Of making our food healthier and more sustainable.
We produce real steaks without harming animals.
We enable up to 50% sugar reduction without changing the taste of the product.
We have the solution to keep all the goodies of the juice without the sugar.
You know what? We bring the fun back to healthy snacking.
We build and nourish successful food tech companies based on disruptive ideas.
We are doing good by doing food.
The Israeli food tech nourish a better tomorrow. Doing good by doing food.
Hello everyone, and thank you for inviting me to speak in this important event. As we are approaching the end of 2021, I believe it is safe to say that this will be a record year and maybe even a pivotal year for the Israeli high-tech. A year that broke the record in several indicators such as total investments, number of IPOs, number of unicorns, and many more. However, one of our targets at the Innovation Authority is, as the governmental agency responsible for promoting the entire high-tech sector in Israel, is to diversify the innovation ecosystem and expand it to additional technological domains to keep Israel in the forefront of technology and innovation. One such emerging new domain is certainly food tech. Technology is already disrupting and will continue to disrupt the food industry across its value chain, from development of novel food to manufacturing processes, packaging, and last mile delivery methods. Food tech beholds a great business opportunity as its market size is expected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars. However, we need to look at the food tech potential not only from the financial perspective, but also as a great positive impact on humanity. In the midst of a climate crisis, technological solution can reduce food scarcity, mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, and reduce the natural resources necessary for food production. It is fair to say that the Kitchen project, which is in no doubt one of the main drivers of the Israeli food tech success, started very cautiously and with a bit of skepticism about 7 years ago. And I would like to take this opportunity and thank our colleagues at the Kitchen Incubator, Jonathan and his team, and obviously the Strauss Corporation for taking the risky project early on and developing it further with a combination of a great determination and strong belief in this field. This is the perfect model of a public-private partnership to nurse nascent innovation and turn it into a successful ecosystem. We in the Israeli Innovation Authority will continue to support the food tech sector and focus on overcoming the challenges ahead. There are significant regulatory barriers for alternative protein products, for example, and I'm happy to announce that we intend to initiate a pilot project together with the Ministry of Health and its food regulator to create a first-of-its-kind approval process for cultivated meat. To conclude, I would like to encourage the academic researchers to continue and create novel forms of food, the investor community to continue and fund such projects, the corporations in the food industry to continue and take the risk and transform their products, the entrepreneurs to continue and work their magic, and my colleagues at the government to enable the ecosystem to thrive and grow. Join me in watching the mini-series about the Israeli food tech. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I will.